Maya payabak po, brothers and sisters. Yabetala king misang iti ding makatuking kayaduanan. Kapasalamatan dari gasyalong Alyanigi and Torno family, Amelita Valizer, Dr. Conrado Valizer, and Fitang Narciso children, Mans Cortez and family, Five Sister Manansala and family, Emer and Lydia Paras, Walter Stiger, Annabel Stiger, Rowana Marie Paras, Antonio Kayanan, Apong Iling Kayanan and family, Joan Melissa Kayanan family, Michelle Amelia Kayanan, Jose Risa Kayanan, Lito and Romley Clemente, Carla Maria Clemente, first anniversary of Dance Generation Retro Fitness, Basilio and Tan and Pino family, Tanueco and Enriquez family, Nano and Enriquez family, Raimundo family, Maria La Suerte Federife, Oscar Federife, Ofelia Pedro Rubia, Alex and Lisa Kakap, Catalino and Teresa Bernard, Angelita Yong, Raymond Arcilia and family, Charity Bodog and family. Para king birthday blessing ng Melissa, Angela Bajola, Jeneline Bajola, Mercedes Alfaro, Audili Unica Rivera, Ronaldo Raimundo Jr. Para king kapagnasan dari Richard and Chona Yumul and family, Gemma Yao, Regina Yao, Alexander